Hey, what's up, guys? My name is Prime. I'm the founder and CEO of Melanin Coaster Network. Today we at Six Flags Great Adventure. Finna take on the all-new, the Flash Vertical Velocity. Oh my God. Shout out to my friends from Alpha and Omega to provide this amazing content. Oh my God. You ready?
I think I'm ready.
I think I'm ready too.
Let's go!
Let's go. Hey, I think this coaster finna be a banger rain, baby. It's finna, hey,
Oh!
let's go. Hey,
Okay.
North America's first super boomerang coaster.
Oh!
North America. Oh my God.
Whoa!
We're going backwards.
Whoa!
Ah, I'm at my seat. Oh my God. Oh, I'm upside down. I'm at my seat. I'm at my
That
seat.
was crazy! That was insane!
Airtime. It's so good. It's amazing. It's amazing. Oh,
Wait!
inversion.
Whoa!
This way.
Whoa!
I can see Philly from up here. I can see Philly. Oh my God. Oh, we're going backwards. We're going backwards. Oh, this is wild. Oh, it put fear in my heart. Oh my God. Oh my God. I'm flying on the flag. Hey, fly, fly on the flash. Fly, Eagles, fly. Oh, that was so good. That was so good. That was so good. Shout out to Vacoma. Shout out to Vacoma. It's butter smooth. Glass is smooth. Seven launches. Forwards, backwards. Super. North America's first super boomerang coaster. It is so good. It's phenomenal.
Phenomenal.
That was so good.
10s across the board.
10s across the board. This coaster is elite.
If doing the most was a roller coaster, it will be Flash.
So good.
Vertical velocity.
So good.
Out of breath. This is crazy.